Okay. Hi, welcome to the How Plant Scientists Work series at Plant Biology 2016 in Austin, Texas. I'm sitting here with Jackie from the University of Central Arkansas, and she's going to tell us a little bit about how she works. So, hi Jackie, tell us a little bit about yourself and your background.
Okay, hi, I am a second year graduate student at the University of Central Arkansas, where I work with plant genetics. We specifically look at 3 different types of land plants and in hopes to help their nitrogen fixation needs to reduce fertilizer use.
Okay. Okay, so that covers where you work and your specific title and role. And so what's one word that describes how you work?
Diligently.
Okay. Good. All right. And what's the favorite thing that you do at work?
Actually, one of the new techniques that I've learned is histology, doing ultra thin sections. So being able to we go to 8 microns. So being able to successfully slice and stain and then view it and image it, that's exciting for me now.
Yeah. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, and do you have a favorite plant?
Well, we are mostly looking at cereals because, cereals cannot naturally fix nitrogen for themselves. So
Right.
More specifically rice, because it's a good global crop. So.
Okay. And you've said a little bit about it, but what's one interesting project you've been working on lately? One specific project?
Well, we do a lot of gene validation from RNA sequencing work that we've done. But here now I am looking at the plant genes that are controlling the interactions between nitrogen-fixing bacteria and rice itself. So that's kind of interesting to see that.
Okay, with a goal of getting rice to be able to fix nitrogen?
Well, the overall goal of being able to have these endophytic bacteria colonize the rice in order to help increase nitrogen for the plant.
Got it. Okay. Okay, so with that, we'll get to some specific questions about how you work. Okay. So what are some tools, apps, websites that you visit every day? Do you have a favorite resource?
Ooh, IDT. IDT is one. I design a lot of primers, and so IDT is great for that. The NCBI website, I'm always trying to read every day, and a lot of alignment tools, like a lot of blast alignment tools. So those are some good ones.
Okay. And if a magic scientific genie appeared from an Erlenmeyer flask in your lab, what would you ask for?
I was going to say perfect writing skills, but honestly, thinking about it now, unlimited funding.
That is a common answer to that question, actually.
Something that's needed.
Yes, but increased writing skills would be very good to have too.
Both of those.
Okay, and so in the last one, what's some of the best advice you've ever received?
It was actually from my PI. He told me just never stop reading. Read every day in your spare time, no matter what. Keep reading. So that was some of the best advice I've ever received.
Okay. And the last thing is, if you'd like to tag someone to do this series next in any sort of form, do you have a nomination for who you'd like to see do this next?
Ooh, I'll nominate my PI.
Okay. If you give us his contact info, we will send him the interview.
I will.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you very much, Jackie.
Thank you for having me.